Our LSV.No 451.2-volt lithium batteries are designed to meet the power and energy needs of all golf carts, Yamaha PTV, Club Car LSV, Delta Q charge compatible. No need to modify the battery trays, and no extra components or retrofit kits are needed. Simply remove your old batteries, drop in, connect and go. The LSV.No 451.2-volt battery is the safest lithium chemistry. It's also easier on the environment as no gases are emitted. Fast charging and stable power, the best replacement for lead-acid batteries. The fuel gauge helps determine when it's time to charge the batteries. Batteries undergoes rigorous quality control checks and inspection at each stage of assembly to ensure a reliable, consistent, and high-quality product. Ready to upgrade your golf cart to lithium batteries?